right, welcome back once again. Jeff Perry from the Fiddle Jam Institute. Blabbing about my coming course I'm excited about, called Bucket List Fiddle Jam. It's going to be a fun and hip 1-month course for adults who want to get started with the violin or fiddle. If you've always dreamt of doing it, this is your chance. This is your shot. I can do it. We can do it together. It's going to be fun. It's going to teach you how to sound good first, how to play in tune, how not to hurt yourself and your shoulders, your neck, and one good song, which we can also then expand afterwards into different styles and anything you want, and go any direction you want once we got that. Someone asked me already about the format. How's it going to be produced? How's it going to be delivered to you? Do you have to be there live with me? No, we're not. I'm going to do some live sessions, but they'll have replays. You can go at your own pace. It's going to have, I said it's going to be a month course, so it's going to have about 24 main lessons and some bonus material and stuff, extra things as well. But the format that I'm planning on is going to be this. It's going to have me going through the material and a little bit longer video explaining things, what we're going to be doing that day. Each day we'll do a quick review of what we did the lesson before, and at the end of every lesson I'll give you a hint about what's coming up. Since I know everybody's at different levels and different aptitudes, some people music comes easier, I will also throw in little things. If you're ready for this, it's kind of like a one-room schoolhouse. My mother went to a one-room schoolhouse, and she always said it was cool to be in second grade and kind of keep one ear on the fifth grade stuff. You could kind of progress quickly and know what was coming. I'll give you tips and tricks. It depends on where you're at. If you're ready for it, cool. If not, that's all right too. And in each lesson, I said go to the main lesson. We'll do some troubleshooting. If you're having trouble, this is probably it. You're too tight here, or just too stiff there, or you're doing the wrong stroke here. We'll always go over trouble things. And I always try and make it musical every lesson as much as possible. Some of the things are just going to have to be, muscle practice. Do this 100 times. It will be that. I promise not to give you any more than 10 minutes of practice for the course. So, yes, the main lesson of me blabbing and explaining things will be a little bit longer. And I'll post those on the Fiddle Jam Institute. I'll post those on the special Facebook private group page for anybody who's in the course can go to. You can post questions there. You can post your own videos there of your playing if you want to show off a little bit or have questions. What else can I tell you? The format will always do troubleshooting. We're always going to do a little warm-ups, make different stretches depending on what we're doing that day. Roll your shoulders, just simple things. We're not going to be doing calisthenics, don't worry about it. But I want to make sure you're not getting hurt, and I want to make sure you're cooled down. Something, as I said in other videos, I never did before. I wish I had, because I end up messing up my back as a very serious young man. And it's taken decades to kind of undo that stuff. And so I want to make sure you're not hurting yourself, and we're warming up and cooling down so you don't have pain. And each lesson kind of had the same format. We'll remind you what you did before. We'll review quickly. We'll go to the next stuff. We'll troubleshoot. We'll cool down at the end, and we'll talk about what's coming next. And we'll get you to the end, where I'll throw you a few bonuses as well. One of the bonuses is going to be about how to play, even if you don't know the song. At least play along something. I'm going to teach you how to follow chord changes. Even if you don't read music, it's cool. You don't have to read music to play this course. And so you can go to a picking party and cozy up to the nearest guitar player. Tell me what chord, and know what notes to play along with them. Just make up something a little bit in the background. At least participate in the musical experience. There's a real joy when two people play together. Even if your goal is just to play at home, I would encourage you to play with at least one other person. There's a real cool thing that happens energetically. Yes, this course will be a little bit, have some woo-woo, hippity-dippity stuff, but it's real. The feelings of music are real. Maybe that's why you're interested in playing. You've experienced this a little bit. You go to a concert, you get goosebumps, I want you to have those goosebumps in your own life that you create, maybe with someone else. It's an awesome feeling. I want to have more people feeling it. I think it ties into other things in our heart that can enhance our lives greatly. So I'm going to hip you some of this stuff. And another bonus at the very end is I'm going to teach you a very simple way to kind of be able to rock and roll kind of jam. Even if you don't know the song, you'll be able to not just follow along with the guitar player, but you'll be able to step up and make up some stuff. Now, I do that for a living. People pay me money to come and improvise for them, whether it's in a recording session, whether it's in a band, and different styles. I've got decades of experience doing this. I was in jazz fusion worlds. I've been in the rock world, the punk rock, the country rock. I've played in country bands. I've played and recorded with people. I did about a 10-year stint of Cajun Zydeco music. I did another 10-year stint at one point in gypsy jazz, the music of Django Reinhardt and Stefan Grappelli. And all this stuff, my favorite stuff, is all improvised based, where there's a set underlying stuff going on, but you learn to just jam your own thing, and it's all about the solo. I'll get your toes dipped in that water too in this course by giving you a couple bonuses. The blues is another example. I've got a whole course of blues music if you want to go that direction. Blues is very cool and very fundamental to all popular music of the last 100 years at least. So if this is interesting you, stay in touch, keep an ear out, subscribe to this channel. I'll be announcing things. Like this Facebook page if you're on that. Sign up for the newsletter on the FiddleJamInstitute.com page. Again, that's FiddleJamInstitute.com. There is a link there somewhere to hook up for my newsletter. I don't send it out a lot, but when I have a new course coming out, I'll send out a little more stuff. And I try not to be a pest about it, but I want people to know I'm excited. I think this is something that can help you and be great for us all, and we'll all do it together. So again, Bucket List Fiddle Jam is coming. Look out! And it's going to be great. And if you're interested, join with me and we'll do it together. Amen to that.